Welcome again to the learning portal for the DP accounting software. Based in San Diego, California, database providers proudly develops, distributes, and supports this software. Today, we're diving into the crucial task of recording credit card payments and interest fees in DP accounting software. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Finally, look at the credit card register to find the payments made to the credit card and the interest fees charged during the period. Let's get into it. To record the payments made to credit card vendors, click Make Payment in the Credit Card module. Payments are made to the vendor or supplier of the credit card. Our demonstration will show payments made to two different credit card vendors. The recording of payments is identical for each. However, how those payments and interest are viewed in the credit card register does vary based on how the credit cards were set up. The first is to vendor GM. Select the payment type. If the payment type of check is selected, the primary checking account and the next check number are displayed. If this is not the check number used for the payment, enter the correct check number. Enter a payment date. In this example, select the credit card vendor, GM, for the payment. Enter a reference for transaction detail purposes. If this payment is being made due to a monthly billing statement and the statement identifies the interest accrued during the billing period, then enter the interest charges. Enter the amount paid. After reviewing the information for accuracy and completeness, which is crucial for our financial records, we will select Save Payment and Add New to record a second payment. Click the Cancel button to close without saving the entry. The following vendor is Chase Visa. Select the payment type. The primary checking account and the next check number are displayed if the payment type of check is selected. If this is not the check number used for the payment, enter the correct check number. Enter the payment date. Select the credit card vendor, in this case, Chase Visa, for the payment. Enter a reference for transaction detail purposes. If this payment is being made due to a monthly billing statement and the statement identifies the interest accrued during the billing period, then enter the interest charges. Enter the amount paid. After reviewing the information for accuracy and completeness, which is crucial for our financial records, we will select Save Payment and Close to return to the main menu. Click the Cancel button to close without saving the entry. The setup of credit cards, which is linked to vendors, offers a flexible approach. This flexibility plays a pivotal role in how payments and interest are viewed in the register and the balances of the credit cards over time, giving you the power to manage them as you see fit. Two credit card vendors have been set up to demonstrate how vendors and businesses handle credit cards. We will click Vendors from the main menu to view those setups. The first setup is for a company that has provided credit cards to multiple employees for a single card account number. In this example, the vendor is GM. Click on the Supplier Credit Card tab. As shown here, for employees were issued cards with the same number. There is only one chart of account set up for this credit card account, and all transactions are linked to the same chart of account. Payments to this vendor and accrued interest are related to this single account. To view the credit card register for this specific vendor and the credit card setup, click on Credit Card Register. Select the vendor GM. This will list all credit card transactions linked to this vendor. Notice that only one credit card account is listed. Also note that each transaction shows the employee involved. To view only charges, check Show Only Charges. For only credits, check Show Only Credits. To see only payments, check Show Only Payments. And to see only interest, check Show Only Interest. Click Clear Search to return to the original transaction list by the vendor. Note the current balance. This current balance is valid only when viewed by the vendor, as this view includes all payments and accrued interest. The second popular method is for vendors to create multiple credit card numbers under a single vendor account. Returning to the vendor list, we will view the vendor Chase Bank. Click on the Supplier Credit Card tab. This setup has 3 different credit card accounts, each assigned to a specific employee. To keep track of each employee's purchases. Since these are 3 different credit card accounts, there are also 3 charts of accounts, one for each. In this case, all credit card transactions are linked to a specific credit card account and, therefore, a particular chart of accounts. To view this in the credit card register, click Register under the Credit Card module in the main menu. Select the vendor Chase Bank. Here, you will see the list of transactions, including all credit card accounts under the same vendor account. In addition, The payments and interest of the main vendor account are included. Select the account number if a specific credit card account needs to be reviewed. The transactions then are filtered only to show particular credit card account transactions. Note that payments and accrued interest are not displayed in this view because the fees and interest are not linked to their specific credit card account, but rather to the main vendor account. To see the current balance, remove the specific account from the drop-down menu and return to the original list of transactions. Select the credit card used. The previous credit recorded is listed here. The credit card register lists the transactions in 4 buckets for ease of viewing: charges, credits, payments, and interest. Use the scroll bar to see all transactions. Filters are available to search for credit card transactions. 4 checkboxes are available for Show Charges Only, Show Credits Only, Show Payments Only, and Show Interest Only transactions. Searching for specific credit card transactions is straightforward. The Search All field allows you to search any field based on user input. For instance, to search for a party, enter the starting characters of the party and click Enter. This filter further reduces the list of transactions with that party name, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Click the X in the top right-hand corner to close out the register and return to the main menu. Thank you for watching this video. Using the DP accounting software, we hope you now understand how to record payment and interest fees on a credit card and view all recorded payments and interest fees in the credit card register. Furthermore, understand what filters are in the register and how to use them to see the payments and interest fees paid on each credit card account. Lastly, create and manage credit cards and their chart of accounts through the vendor module. Understand the 2 ways vendors and businesses set up credit cards within the vendor record. 1. Set up a single credit card account used by multiple employees, or set up multiple credit card accounts under a single vendor, with each credit card account assigned to a specific employee. If you found this video helpful, please like it. In addition, click subscribe below so that you can be notified when we release new videos.